67192. And we are walking into the room. Let me show you. Here we go. And we are still at the cruise port, about to sail away. We have a bathroom right to the left when we walk in. It is spacious. We are very happy about it. We also, of course, have this light switch for the bathroom and the light switch for the room. And we can adjust the lighting in the room. We can adjust the temperature of the room. It is wonderful. Let's go in the bathroom. All right, here's the bathroom. Beautiful aesthetic, beautiful artwork, great toilet, great toilet brush. We of course have the extremely loud toilet, par for the course when cruising. We have the shower with the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash. You have an adjustable shower head, which is wonderful. You have a shaving ledge, bonus. Nice size shower. All right. Again, you have 3 shelves flanking the one large sink. You have soap, like hand soap. You also have body lotion. You have a shower soap. You have Kleenex, 2 glassware, and 3 more shelves on the side. And down here, you have a large drawer. A lot of people don't know to open this. You have extra glassware, 2 Kleenex, and looks like some extra hand towel and some washcloths. You have extra toiletries. You have a waste bin and some more towels down there. You also have a hair dryer and a great plug-in for a razor or like electric razor and or a hair dryer. Fantastic. Great space too for a regular infinite veranda room. Okay, I have the bags out. They'll be gone in about 5 seconds. We have a beautiful, like, real coral thing that seems dangerous, but whatever. We also have so much storage. We have a beach towel for a beach day. I don't know why we have 1 and not 2, being that there's 2 people in here, but whatever. I'm not using it, so it doesn't matter. Starlink, boom. So we have, let's see how many shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves, y'all. That alone is a lot of room. I would say storage for shoes, beachwear, things like that. We also have storage up above. It is the same storage as the Starlink and the towel, but extra. Beautiful light, beautiful coral. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Very large storage there. Lovely. Again, same storage as some of those, but whatever. We also have storage over here. One thing good about Celebrity that I will say they do is they have plenty of hangers and really good hangers. A lot of places I usually have to ask for extra hangers. I don't here. Mind you, if you don't use the hangers, it's annoying because they're doing this with the waves and the ship. So if you don't need them, have them take them or take them down because it can be annoying. Here we have extra shelf, another shelf with a safe. You can put your own little pin code in and pound and work that great. You have 3 shelves. They are the same width, I'd say about 6 inches down and in depth, and the same goes for those 2. You have this space, which I see a weird wire hanger. I'll pick it up in a minute. Again, a lower hanging area. A good amount of space. I definitely think you have a great full-length mirror as well right here. Over here, this is my side of the bed, by the way, we have a lamp, a phone, which does have a USB inside, and you have 2 spaces underneath for goodies. You have a king-size bed. You have a beautiful 37-inch TV, big giant king-size bed. Over here you have 3 little cubes And you have a lamp here. You have 2 USBs as well. You do have a 110 or 120 US outlet as well. Let me see what that goes to. That goes off. That goes to the lamp right here. So the normal lighting in the room right there is adjusted right there. Nice. Okay. All right, over here you have artwork. You have a chaise lounge. And over here you have a nice recessed desk that can go in or out, depending on how you like it. Another full-length lit mirror that you push right there. It can come on and off. And we have a nice trash bin right there. And you can move this, put that desk in, turn the chair around so you have more seating here. Or you can move the chaise lounge for a more comfortable seat over at the Infinite Veranda. Your choice. You have a celebrity today, which you'll receive daily. And then other little goodies. And I'm going to show you how it recesses back. I'm going to put it right there. And it goes back. And then you can turn your chair around to just sit so you can be, it looks like a little foot. It's right there in the mirror, but whatever. And you can just sit like that. Talk to people over here if you'd like. Because you do have another full-length mirror right over there. And over here, you have 2 USBs, 2 110 outlets, and a European outlet. Looks like somebody left a pin. Bonus. So you got that. All right, that is the light for the mirror. We do have the little coffee table book and the goodies for your room. Here we have your refrigerator or your mini bar, whichever you prefer it to be, let them know. We have some Perrier waters that we put in there, but the rest is a mini bar. You can have them remove or keep. It's up to you. It is an upcharge, even if you have premium alcohol package. Ooh, okay, that is shut. All right, here we have 3 drawers. They are about the same size. I like the way it's separated, so my husband and I, all the way down. And our horn is going. We are starting to sell away. This is an upcharge. Normally there's 2. I did have him take it out, the other one, because someone had opened it. And he did not take it out. So I wanted to make sure he knew that that was not mine. So as of now, we have 1. But we will normally have 2. But again, that is an upcharge. So if you want any of this stuff and the mini bar, it is an upcharge. Here is what you do for breakfast, which I am very much a complimentary breakfast person, or any room service for that matter, even if it's paid. I do like to get it for convenience. You have a light here. It is affixed. It does not move. You cannot shift it any which way. And the light is now off. I do like my ice twice a day. I did tell my room steward that. I will remove all that luggage and have it hidden. You won't even know it's there. All right, so far, remember I have no fisheye lens, no lens whatsoever on my video. And I did move both my chairs from the room over here. And I do have that there as well. And I like space to be able to walk out. And if I want, look at my balcony. Now I am in the furthest corner I can stand, literally, in my room. And this is what I'm looking at. And this is the track here that the blinds go down. That is a nice space for a balcony. All right. But it is shut. It's a nice, large, clean space. I'm all about it. Oh, look, those people. Hello. And that is below me. I'm on room 7192. I do have the magic carpet here, which is kind of neat. And it's right up above. It does not impede. I have an unobstructed room view. And if you're really psychotic about it, you would say, oh, well, if it goes down to 5, it's obstructed in any way. But I can see the ocean, or I will. And you might think it blocks out certain things, but as long as I'm in my bed or my room and I can see the open ocean, especially from afar, I'm okay. And I'm extremely picky about my room views. Okay, again, that is the light in here in the balcony area. At night, it might be prevalent. I love the infinite veranda. Some people like it, some people don't. I love it. I like cleanliness, and if it gives me more space in the room, I'm all about it. That is the blind. You can push it once, it'll come down. Push it again, it'll stop. What have you. Here is, you have to hold it down, and it is for the infinite veranda. It's what gives you the balcony. And people talk about the noise and all that crap. I don't care about it. People are on a normal balcony moving around freaking chaise lounges, chairs, and making a lot of racket. People are opening sliding doors and other doors and making racket. All I have to say is a lot of things make noise, especially chairs and chaise lounges crashing against the floor. That's annoying. But this is not. I'm in room 7192. This is below me. I like to show everybody all the things around me. That is Magic Carpet Suites or Magic Carpet Rooms. And the Magic Carpet is up on probably deck 14 right now. It goes on 14, I believe 15, and 5, and it tenders on, what, 2 or 3? So it, again, does not really affect me. Now, it does light up in the evening. And I'm on the furthest right corner of my balcony right now. And below me is this. Ooh, we're gonna pass the something. I'm not even sure what that ship is right now. But we have an overhang up above, which is nice. It'll protect more from the sun and rain. So I even have an even better infinite veranda experience. So rain should not come in here or impede me in any way. All right, plenty of space. Wonderful. Wonderful space. I very much like the infinite verandas.
behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down. Yeah, we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. Yeah, 1,000 good miles. Oh, 1,000 good miles. Oh, yeah. 1,000 good.
The magic carpet is moving down from deck 14 or 15. I'm not sure what it was on. 14's the pool, isn't it? It was on 15. It was the flight up. And now I heard the noise, so I came out to see what it was, and I was so curious to see if it was going to block my view in any way the whole trip, and it did not. It stayed above. But it is going down to Raw on 5 down there as an extension. So I'm real curious to see how the lights and the magic carpet's going to affect my enjoyment, even though it will be evening, so it really won't matter. But it goes, it kind of, I mean, I would say slow, but it's kind of moving sort of fast, I think. Lord, we are like the worst.